Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about for loops in our robotic framework. And test case, I'm going to create for loop test and I'm going to use something which we can able to do it some value. For loop in the range, I'm going to use for starting position 1, ending position is 10. And I can, even if you are using for loop and space, then you can able to get it for all the value. Okay, no need to bother about the syntax, and but in this for loop it is required for end statement. Once you provided here, you can able to see now you can able to up to 10 up to 9 numbers, last number it will not print. Okay, now we printed for in this value, and even we can able to print some values from the list, and even that list we can able to use it into our program. At the rate, I'm going to provide some items. Okay, in this item I'm going to create list. It will create as a list, and I can able to provide some numbers 3, 4 and 5. Okay, up to 5, and this list I'm going to use it into here. The range I'm going to delete, and here I'm going to provide. Okay, now one by one list values it will print from there. Okay, now I save this location and again I will run this program. Now we are checking for list. From the list we are printing for all the values. The list item is now we can able to see 1 to 5 values it is printed. Okay, and how we can able to provide some condition for this. Okay, some sort of condition it is moved, then how we can able to means exit for loop, and if condition, if the condition we are going to use for our count value is equal to 3, then we need to move out. Means it should not be execute. If reach that particular location, it should move out of that. Now 1 2 is there and 3, it is reached 3, then it is move out of that for loop. Okay, this is the way we can able to use for condition. Okay, how we can able to do it for strings. String also the same format I'm going to use for first. It is in list format. I'm going to use for A and B and C and D. I'm going to use for E. Okay. Now in our case, I'm not going to do for any some conditions. Printing for loop. Using the same condition, I'm not changing anything. You can able to see A B C D E F. It is printed for string format. Even you can able to use the range. It's not a range. You can able to define in after that. You can able to ABCD. You can able to print that those values also in that particular location. Even you can able to use for some condition, using that condition also you can able to do. This is a simple format how we can able to use for loop in our robotic framework. Why I done this particular video means in the later video I'm going to take for counting for links. For inside the links and web table time we required some set of understanding for loop. For understanding for loop I done for this. Even you can able to practice, then you can able to understand more on this for loop. Even you can able to try for other kind of for loops, then you can able to get it more understanding for this particular for loop. Okay, Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues, and also comment is mandatory. Thank you.